Hello everybody, welcome to another video. So today I'm bringing you guys a quick unboxing and overview of the MSI H310M Gaming Arctic motherboard. You can find this little board on the net for around $90 US. I was looking online for a micro ATX board that I can fit into this little case that I have laying around here. This is the board that I went for. So today we're going to be taking a closer look at it and see if maybe this is something you may be interested in. Alright guys, so without wasting any time, let's go ahead and get this thing opened up here and go through the accessories real quick. So for this project, what I'm going to be doing is basically installing a i5 8400 processor on this motherboard here. It's locked, so it'll be a perfect combination for with this little motherboard here. Now, one thing that greets you here is the case badge, MSI Dragon case badge there, which is a plus. I love those little things. And this is your I/O backplate. Unfortunately, it is not padded, but you know what? It shouldn't be a big deal. Here is your two SATA cables that you get with this board. One of them is at a 90-degree angle. And your driver CD, which we're not going to be using. We're going to go to the website and download the latest drivers from MSI. And here is your motherboard manual, a handy thing to keep here. And here is your installation guide along with your M.2 screw. You don't want to lose this one here. You want to put that in a safe place. Alright, so now it's time to take a closer look at the motherboard. I have to say that I did not find any reviews online about this motherboard, so I felt that it was needed. I felt that maybe it would be a good idea to kind of review this for some of you guys that maybe perhaps are looking for, you know, a basic motherboard for your next gaming PC. And so yeah, that's why I decided to bring you guys this video here. So let's go ahead and get to the meaty stuff here. So here's your 8-pin connector for the CPU. You got two fan headers here, one system and one CPU fan header. Those are the only fan headers you're going to get with this board, by the way. Up here to the right, you get your debug LED lights. And let's see here. You also have your front panel USB 3.0 port here. And here you also have your two memory DIMMs for a dual channel configuration of DDR4 up to 2666 megahertz. Here's your SATA M.2 port as well, and your PCI Express slot. This one is what MSI calls the steel armor shroud on the PCI Express. Now, if you look at the back here, you can see the two solder points there, and also the extra soldering points there that give the PCI slot more durability and strength for those heavy graphics cards. Here you also have two SATA ports, and you have another two SATA ports here at the bottom right corner, as you can tell there. And also here to the left, along the bottom here, you have your front panel ports for your USB 2.0 port, your front panel audio, and your LED lights, you know, your hard drive lights and all that stuff. You have an isolated audio PCB here as well with the high quality capacitors there for better quality, better durability and sound quality. So let's take a look at the I/O ports here. Now, here you have your PS2 Legacy mouse and keyboard port. You have two USB 2.0 ports here. You have your DVI port, HDMI port, two USB 3.1 ports, two more USB 2.0 ports, and your gigabit Ethernet port, along with your audio ports here in the rear. Now, who should go for this motherboard here? If you're not an overclocker, if you don't care about overclocking your CPU, this is a perfect choice, or you know, one good choice here. Never mind that it doesn't have any heat sinks on the VRMs, because you're not going to be doing any overclocking anyway. So the way this motherboard is configured there without heat sinks on the VRMs should be just fine, as you know, because you're not going to be able to overclock your CPU anyway. I have to tell you that I'm very impressed with the aesthetics of the motherboard. It looks like, you know, very, very high quality build here by MSI. But then again, it's MSI. I mean, they're known for their close attention to detail and good, excellent quality of their products. So I can't wait to install this motherboard and see what, you know, how it looks, how it performs, and this is a little build, and I will keep you guys updated so you can check out the next videos coming up, following up on this motherboard and this build here. So stay tuned for that video there. And this is all I have for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, this quick unboxing and overview of the MSI H310M Gaming Arctic motherboard. As always, if you liked the video, hit thumbs up. If you didn't for whatever reason, you know what to do. Subscribe for more videos and more content coming up, and I will see you guys on the next one. Y'all take care now. Bye-bye.